have one of each uniform, so basically I will have to eliminate people. And to do that, I want a good military drill.
Oh,
interesting?
No.
Yeah! Come on, let's chill a little bit. You want to start easy?
Oh, sweet. I know this. You got this. You got this. Great.
So just very good line, please. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, believe me, you're just going to get much worse from now. Okay, so now, pay attention. Stand tall. Stomach in, shoulders back. Come on, people. Okay, not bad. Now present arm.
Woo, Connors.
At least she did something. Okay, you're gonna try to just do like that, alright? Present arm. Go. Now we're gonna do a little simulation on how fire cartridge a shot at a time. So basically, imagine yourself, you got a belt, a cartridge belt on your right side. You're going to take a cartridge, what I'm telling you to. So take a cartridge. Right side. Now turn the top with your teeth. Alright? Put some black powder in the mechanism right here. Put the rest of the cartridge on the top of your cannon. Put the stick, which is below the cannon, and push the cartridge down. Okay? Now arm your gun. Faster, people, you're getting shot at. Now aim at something in the air and shoot. I think we'll have a misfire over there. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. So, well, before we get stuff now. Currently, we're all general.
I have cereal.
You feel safe?
This is a talent right here. I'm working two cameras at the same
Worst
time.
food I've ever seen.
This one's videotaping, this one's taking pictures.
Well, since they are all terrible recruits, it's going to be a lot more difficult to eliminate people. I'm going to have to do so, I'm going to have to find out if they are fit or just healthy. What could be a good way to find out if their recruits are fit or strong?